Hi everyone, here we've got HAFURY Note 10 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two options to choose from. We can find it using the dialer or simply the settings. So let me show you the first option. Let's open the dialer and let's type *#06#. And as you can see by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers. So let's click on OK and let me show you another option. It is using the settings, so let's find the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose the system. Click on Advanced, tap on About Phone and let's scroll down a little. As you can see here we are provided with both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and in order to find the serial number we have to tap on Model and Hardware. And as you can see here we've got the serial number. So that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your HAFURY Note 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.